It's good to be with you. Welcome to Class Outside. Today, we are going to learn how to automatically bundle our code and restart our server using Webpack and Nodemon. How does this help us? Automatically bundling files and restarting a development server removes the repeated task of performing these commands yourself during development and saves you time. What do we need? We need a local server using Node.js. I've linked another video walking through the details for setting up a local express.js server down in the description. We also need bundling to be configured with Webpack. We will need a package manager. I will be demonstrating with npm. We will also need the Nodemon package. I'll be setting it up for this project. It features a rotating 3D ring set up with the 3JS library. The project has been bundled using Webpack. You can find this code available on GitHub, linked down in the description. First, we need to install Nodemon into our project directory. Nodemon is a tool that monitors a Node.js application for changes and will automatically restart the server when changes are detected. To install Nodemon, open a new terminal window and navigate to your project's directory. Run the command npm install --save -dev nodemon. This will install Nodemon with a label that is only meant to be used for development, not for production. Now, we need a way to run Nodemon and Webpack -watch at the same time. Webpack's -watch option looks for changes in your project and automatically runs the Webpack command to bundle the files when changes have been made. We can create a script for this in our package.json. In the package.json file, create a new object named scripts. While we could write one really long script, we are actually going to write 3 small and reusable scripts. The scripts here may vary across operating systems. The one in this video should work for Windows 10, 11, and perhaps more. First, we will make one called Nodemon-watch and set this to the command nodemon and the relative path to your server file. In this case, ./src/app.js. This will run Nodemon on the server file, and when changes are detected, it will restart the server. Next, we'll make a Webpack watch file. This command will be Webpack with the option watch to set it to watch mode. This way, bundling automatically occurs when changes are detected. For this demo, we also have a Webpack configuration file. So we add the config option and supply the path to the configuration file. Finally, we will write one command that calls both the other commands. Start cmd/k opens a new command prompt terminal and passes the following text as a command. npm run can be used to run scripts from package.json, and we see that we run both of the other scripts we have written. Finally, the and sign, or ampersand, tells Windows to run one command, and then the next. With our scripts set up, we may run them. Open a terminal and navigate to the root of the project directory. Type npm run, and then the name of the script we set up to call each of the other scripts. In this case, the name is start-dev. You should see 2 command prompt windows open. Each one is for one of the watchers, one for Nodemon and one for Webpack. We can test our functionality here by making a change to our website. Let's adjust the camera's vertical position. It is the second variable in the statement camera.position.set, which can be found in the main view file. Let's set it to 20. Once the file is saved, you'll notice that both command prompts respond and begin processing. Now, let's refresh our browser a few times and monitor for the change. Look at that! Together, we have automated Webpack bundling and restarting our web server. Please let me know down in the comments what you thought of this video. Have a great day, and thank you for attending Class Outside.